Welcome to CNC Design Vault. In today's video, we're excited to present a beautifully crafted 3D CNC model, a stunning floral ornamental design perfect for woodworking projects like home decor, door panels, office decoration, and interior wall art. This intricate model was created using Aspire 9.5 software, ensuring smooth toolpaths and high-quality results for CNC routers and wood carving machines. Design highlights elegant floral curves, royal-style symmetrical patterns, classical vase base with blooming motifs, perfect balance of traditional and modern aesthetics. Whether you're working on a CNC router, laser engraving, or wood carving, this model will enhance your project and impress your clients or guests. The best thing about this 3D model is that it was created in parts using Aspire software. Each part has been left ungrouped, allowing you to easily modify or customize any section according to your needs. You can also resize this 3D model to fit your needs. Just go to the drawing section in Aspire, select the model, and click on Set Selected Object Size. That's it, super easy to adjust the size exactly as you want. Finally, just create the toolpath for this 3D model to see how it will look once your project is completed on the machine. It's a great way to preview the final result before starting the actual cutting process. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating, and it's done. Take a look at the final results. Absolutely amazing, just super. I hope you enjoyed this free 3D model. You can download it using the link in the video description. Just grab it and have fun. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel first. More awesome free 3D models are coming your way soon.